guys, it's Shannon. So I saw this really cute clear glass mug at the Dollar Tree and I thought, how cute would that be as a little succulent garden? So that's gonna be our project today. So let's get started. So all the supplies I have here are all from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed this cute mug, which of course I just said was the inspiration for this. I have some white rocks, some reindeer moss, and then I have 3 different succulent picks here. But you choose whichever ones you like or that will fit your decor. So I'm just gonna start by filling up this mug, not all the way, but close to the top with the white rocks. Have some wire cutters here and I'm going to trim off some of the stems so that they sit down into the glass nicely and they're not sticking up too high. I just took my time playing with the arrangement. I ended up taking this little bundle apart so that it became 3 separate little succulents. And you could leave it like this, but I'm gonna throw a little bit of that green reindeer moss on top. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.